So here comes the revision for food and health. And as usual, I'm going to raise the question. You have to raise your hand. I will ask a question. You will answer. And after each answer, you have to mute your mic so that there will be no problem. So the first question is, dash are responsible for our growth and repair of worn out cells. And the options are proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Who will answer? Harshita? Harshita, you tell me. Unmute your mic. Yes, you tell.
What is the question?
Question is, dash are responsible for our growth and repair of worn out cells. Options are protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals. You have not read the lesson and you have not seen the video also. So go through it today. Dhruv, you tell me.
Proteins.
Yes.
Proteins.
Proteins. Dash is a communicable disease. Dash is a communicable disease.
Then jaundice.
That doesn't mean that every answer you have to give. I told you, you answer and put a mute. I will ask others who are waiting. Next is, dash disease is caused by fungi. Lavish. Dash disease is caused by fungi, malaria, pneumonia, influenza, and ringworms. What is the answer?
Ma'am, repeat the examples again.
No, these are not the examples. These are the options. So the options are malaria, pneumonia, influenza, and ringworms. Read once again. Nidhi. Nidhi, you tell me.
Ringworm.
Yes, that's true. It's ringworm. Now tell me one disease which is caused by the deficiency.
Ringworms.
Yeah, that's true, Nidhi. That's correct. It's ringworm. Now you have to tell me the deficiency disease caused by the deficiency of protein. What do you call that disease which is by the deficiency of protein? Protein deficiency? Yes, Araman?
Kwashiorkor.
Yeah, that's correct. It's kwashiorkor. Next is, tell me the disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. The disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency? Why half of the screens are off? Why you have not put it on? Nitya? Yes, Nitya?
Berry.
No, you have to tell for vitamin D. Berry is for vitamin B1. Shagun?
Ma'am,
Yes, it's wicked.
Ma'am,
Yes. Okay, now who will tell me what is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? Yes, Nehal?
A balanced diet is a diet in which all necessary nutrients and vitamins in proper amount are given to our body.
Correct. That is the diet which contains all the necessary nutrients, water and roughage in the right proportion, whichever required by our body. So the next question is, what is a disease? What is a disease? Who will answer? Harshita? Yes, Harshita.
Ma'am, a disease is a state in which a function or a part of the body is not in a healthy condition.
That's correct. That's a good try. Yeah, it's a disease. Disease is the state in which a body or any part of it will not function properly. So, and is not healthy. What means the person is unwell. Okay. So tell me two food products which gives you carbohydrates. Two food products rich in carbohydrates. Dhani. Dhani. Give me two food products which are rich in carbohydrates. Some problem is there in your network connection. Just please check it. Kamlaksh, you tell me.
Bread and potato.
Okay, correct. That's bread and potato is also correct. Then,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, I don't wrote the Indian literature video.
Okay, I'll forward it again. No problem. How many types of diseases?
Voice not clear.
How many types of diseases are there? There are basically some categories of diseases. So who will name them? What are those two categories? I cannot see Netik today. Sakshi, you tell me. Sakshi, what are the two categories of the diseases? Unmute your mic. Vansh, you tell me.
Ma'am, there are two types of diseases. First, communicable disease. Second, non-communicable disease.
Yes, correct. So what is the communicable disease? Now the same
Ma'am,
question.
can I tell?
Yeah, you can tell.
Ma'am, communicable disease spread from one person to another.
Okay. That is communicable. So any example for that?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, communicable.
ma'am, by mosquito bite. No,
That is
ma'am.
not communicable. I will not spread from one.
Ma'am, from no, ma'am. Ma'am, by sneezing.
Yes, correct.
And ma'am, by mosquito bite.
Yes, that's correct. Now, what are non-communicable disease, Vaishnavi? What are non-communicable disease?
Ma'am, which cannot spread from one person to another.
Yes, any example for it?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, no, I am not the example. Okay, you can read once again. So, now who will tell me what is anemia? What is anemia, Joy?
lack of red blood corpuscles are called anemia.
Yes, correct. Why these blood corpuscles are red? What is the reason for it? Because of the presence of
the
the red pigment,
red pigment called
hemoglobin. Okay, because of the presence of the pigment called hemoglobin. Good. Next question is, by which deficiency of vitamin night blindness is caused? How the night blindness is caused and by the deficiency of which vitamin? Simran?
Ma'am, it's vitamin A.
Correct. That's vitamin A. And what are the sources you will get vitamin A from? What are the sources of vitamin A, Ritika? How do you get vitamin A? In which vegetables?
Vitamin A.
Vitamin A. What are the sources of vitamin A? From which vegetables we get? What are the food products? That is spinach. Okay.
Ma'am, voice is coming.
Acha, it's cracking. Okay. It is available in spinach, carrots. Okay. These are the examples. Now, what is goitre? Tell me, what is goitre? Vansh?
Ma'am, it is a problem of iodine.
It is a problem of iodine. Okay, can be a correct point. But you can use the word not problem. It is because of the deficiency of iodine in the diet. Like you are not using the salt which is iodized. Okay. So because of the deficiency of it. Then organisms that causes diseases are known as, what do you call the organisms that causes diseases? Natik? Natik Dubey? Organisms that cause diseases. Harshita?
Ma'am, operating or eating more of oily and fire.
No. I am asking, what do you call those organisms which cause diseases? Aryaman?
Ma'am, germs.
Correct. We call them germs. What are the sources of fats? Abhishek will tell me. He is doing double studies. He will tell me. He must be thinking, कि मैम तो मेरे पीछे ही पड़ गई है. Where is he? Abhishek? Hiding somewhere. What are the sources of fats? Who will tell? Yes, Nehal?
Ma'am, oil and ghee.
Correct. Oil and ghee. This is your growing age. Have full oil and ghee.